Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is me, Sayyida Iffat, here again once and for all for the final chapter of Jolly Phonics, presenting to you from the portal of GMCI, Jolly Phonics, Group 7, the final 6 sounds, and all these sounds are digraphs, by the way. You must all know by now what digraphs are. 2 letters giving you 1 sound. So the first sound is qu. Q and U combine together to give you 1 sound, the digraph qu. Qu, as in duck's beak. Then comes ow. O and U combine together to give you the sound ow. Oi. O and I combine together to give you 1 sound, the digraph oi, as if you are calling somebody far away from a distance, oi. Then comes U and E combining together and giving you the sound you. You. But remember, children, it's very bad to point at somebody. Do not point directly at somebody, but when you are doing the action, it's fine. You. E and R combine together to give you the digraph as in mixer, grinder, blender, and the final sound is R. A and R combining together and giving you the sound R. When the doctor says open your mouth wide, I have to check. So R. R. And that's about it for the Jolly Phonics journey. Group 7, the final 6 sounds, all digraphs. 2 letters, 1 sound. If you liked the content that we presented to you, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment on our videos. And do share with your near and dear ones. Thank you.